So students, in this session we will see what is algorithm, what is flowchart, application of algorithm, application of flowchart, and difference between the algorithm and flowchart. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, coming on to the algorithm. See, algorithm is nothing, simply writing step by step the solution of your problem. That's it. Okay, algorithm is a procedure for solving problem, or you can say algorithm is a procedure of writing your solution step by step. Take an example. You want to perform cooking, you want to cook any dish. Okay, so if you were about to write the steps of cooking that food, then how will you write that? You will simply write all the steps which are needed to cook that food. Okay, take an example, take a practical example. Let's say for example, I want to purchase a dress from a market. Okay, so what all steps will you do? You will simply get a dress to go to market. You will check whether your wallet is having money or not. Then you will replenish your money. Then you will go to shop. You will ask for a dress from the customer, from the shopkeeper. Then you will purchase a dress. Okay, so if you will write these steps in the form of algorithm, then how will you write? Now see, first of all, get a dress to go to market. Second step will be check your wallet have money. Third step will be if not, then replenish it. Fourth will be go to shop. Fifth will be ask for a dress. Sixth will be if dress is available, go to step 7, else go to step 9. Point should be noted here. That means if dress is available, then go to step 7, else go to step 9. That means if dress is available, give money and purchase the dress. Else go to back, else ask for the dress. What is step 9? Is ask for the other dress. Again, see this step 6 again. If dress is available, go to step 7. What is step 7? Give money and purchase the dress. If not available, go to ask for the other dress. That means here looping is performed. That means it is continuously performing 6 and 9 step again and again until our decision, until our condition not satisfied. Okay, this is how we write our algorithm. Simply provide the input to the processing and go for the decision. If decision is true, then write the output, else write your condition. Okay, so friends, this was a simple example of algorithm. Let's take an example. I want to add two numbers, and how will I write these two numbers, addition of two numbers in algorithm? First of all, I will give the input. So simply I will write my input. For example, my input is 1, 1. Okay, now I will add this. I will simply write add 1, 1. What will be the output? Output will be 2. That means my result. So I will simply write my output. Okay. So I will simply write my output is what? 2. So friends, this was the steps. That's how we write our algorithm. So this is simple steps for printing our program from 1 to 20. Actually, this is an algorithm for printing a series from 1 to 20. So first step will be what? First step will be you will initialize your variable by 0. Then you will increment it by 1. You will print the value of that variable, and if the value of that variable is less than 20, then go back to step 2. That means, see, first of all, what you need whenever you want to print any series. Here I want to print a series from 1 to 20. First of all, I will initialize my variable as 0, and then I will add one number from that 0. 0 plus 1 will be what? It will be 1. Then again I will add 1 from this variable. I will get 2. Again I will add 1 variable, 1 value, I will get 3. I will repeat this till where? Till 20. Because here I am printing a series from 1 to 20. So that means, first of all, you will initialize the variable by 0, then you will increment it, you will print the value, and then you will print if x is less than 20, then go back to 2. That means if the value of x is 20, you will have to repeat step 2 and 3 again and again, and as your decision, your condition will be satisfied, you will come out of your program. Okay, so friends, this was a simple algorithm of printing the values from 1 to 20. Okay, So moving forward, coming on to the flowchart. So flowchart is nothing. It is a pictorial representation of algorithm. That means whatever you have written in your algorithm, writing these algorithm in the form of diagram is called as the flowchart. Okay, that means flowchart is simply displaying all the steps of algorithm in the form of picture. So now let's see how to make a flowchart. To form a flowchart, we need these 5 kind of boxes. First is called as the terminal box. This is called as the terminal box. Second is called as the input-output box. Third is called as the process or instruction box. Fourth is called as the decision box. And fifth is called as the connector or arrow. That means for defining input, you will use what? You will use this terminal box. Sorry, for starting and ending the process you will use terminal box. For giving input and output you will use this box. For displaying the process or instruction you will use this box. For decision box is this, and this is the arrow box. This displays the flow of your data. Okay, so now friends, this is the simple snap of comparison of algorithm and flowchart. Here I have written the algorithm of adding 4 marks and I am simply finding out the average of these marks. Then I will compare. If the grade is less than 60, then I will print fail, otherwise I will print pass. This is the algorithm, and this algorithm I will display by using the flowchart. As I told you before, first of all you need a start point. That means for start point you have used this terminal box. So I have simply started my operation. Then I will provide my input. Input will be what? M1, M2, M3 and M4. That I have written in my input output box. Then coming on to the process. What is my process? I am here adding. I am adding M1, M2, M3 and M4. That's why I have written this process box. I have used this process box and written my grade here. Now coming on to decision point. So see, here it is asking whether the grade is less than 60. That means coming on to the decision box. That's why we have used here decision box. Now my decision is what? If grade is less than 60. Yes, okay, yes. So that's why I am printing here fail. Otherwise I will print here pass, and finally ending our process. So friends, this was a simple comparison of the algorithm and flowchart. Start the process by using start box. Give the input by using input box. Provide the process by using process box. Go for the decision by using decision box. Give the output by using the input output box. Finally end your process. So this was the simple comparison of algorithm and flowchart. Coming on to the difference between the algorithm and flowchart. See, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure of solving a problem, whereas flowchart is a diagram created by different shapes to show the flow of data. So friends, now I think this is clear to you. Algorithm is nothing, simply writing your solution step by step, whereas flowchart is simply representing your problem pictorially. Okay. Now algorithm is complex to understand and flowchart is easy to understand. In algorithm we use text, but in flowchart we use symbols and shapes. Algorithm is difficult to construct, whereas flowchart is simple to construct. It does not follow any rule, but flowchart follow rules. Okay. Algorithm is a pseudo code for the program, whereas flowchart is just graphical representation of that logic. So friends, at the end, the main goal of this chapter was algorithm is simply writing your data step by step, writing your solution step by step, and flowchart means creating a diagram of your algorithm. That's it. So friends, I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you.